Hi ladies and gentlemen, it's Mark from Demons Designs again. This here is a brand spanking new Husqvarna 8.5 generator. It's going to get the gas conversion kit put on it. Brand spanking new. There's the box that I pulled it out from. So it all comes up looking like this. There's all your toys, niggly bits and everything like that. You even got tools for maintenance, everything like that. Your handlebar, your 3 plugs, the nuts and bolts, the foot pegs. So yeah, this is hasn't been run yet, hasn't been done anything to yet. So when I say it's a brand spanking new machine, I mean this is a brand spanking new machine. So as you can see, nothing's been done to it yet. So we're going to have some fun with this one. This one is for a client in Verulam. So yeah, thank you guys. Hi all, and here we go. Generator is completed, built, put together, everything like that. So again, this is a brand spanking new Husqvarna 8.5. As you can see, everything's put back in. Got the handles, you got the little wheels, you got your little steps. It's got the conversion kit on it already. So yeah, let's start her up. So there's the gas bottle. Open, what there. One, two, three.